things right and prepare that way. And then we got to play that way. So that's what gets me going.
Good morning, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeVore joining you live here on this Sunday morning, the middle of September. But I'll tell you, it's not going to feel like September over the next several days, as we've got a midsummer-like air mass that will be rolling in over the next several days, starting today. Now, as we check out a couple of live views, you can see visibility is great as we check out the view that was Holland now into downtown Grand Rapids, looking off to the north. We do have temperatures in most areas in the upper 50s to around 60 degrees, a little warmer from Kalamazoo and Battle Creek southward, and also along the lakeshore. Notice from Greenville up toward Big Rapids, where we do have temperatures a little cooler, also into Ionia County. That's where we do have some patchy fog that started to form this morning. So a few patches of fog aren't impossible, especially the further east and north you happen to be traveling first thing this morning. Otherwise sunny and warm today. Midsummer temps returning, flirting with 90 degrees as we head into the middle of the week. We do have drought conditions that continue to worsen, with our next best chance of rain holding off until the end of the week. And you can see so far this month of September, we did start the month with temperatures that had that stretch of unseasonably cool air, which had us in the 9th place in terms of coolest Septembers on record, turning the corner in a big way with highs the last several days in the upper 70s to low 80s. Not much rain, so we do continue to see the drought conditions worsen across the region. You can see most of West Michigan under at least a moderate drought, and you can see a severe drought over toward the Thumb area. And rain chances just aren't there over the next several days. With plenty of sunshine, we are going to continue to see the drought conditions get even worse as our next best chance of rain. Chance of an isolated shower Thursday, better chance of a few showers and thunderstorms developing Friday into Saturday as finally a cold front rolls in. Today, area of high pressure in control of our weather. We've got a warm front off to our south, and as that front tries to move in, typically fronts those are the transitional devices in the atmosphere. Typically, they come along with precipitation, but you can certainly see here in the Great Lakes region, not likely to be the case here over the next several days, as we do continue with very dry air in place overhead and a gentle southeasterly breeze, really not tapping much in the way of any kind of a moisture source rolling in. So enjoy the sunshine over the next several days. And if you're somebody who absolutely is a huge fan of the summer weather, you're going to absolutely love this 7-day forecast. Again, loads of sunshine, 84 the high today, into the 50s tonight. Once again, mid 80s tomorrow, upper 80s to near 90 by Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday, we see a mixture of clouds and sunshine, a high of 86 degrees. Again, those chances of showers and storms will be arriving as we close out the week and kick off the weekend. By Saturday and Sunday, we do briefly get a little cooler, but as we look ahead at that 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, look at this. This takes us almost through the end of September, where average highs go from the low 70s down into the upper 60s, and you'll see much of the country looking at temperatures that will be above average, and that does include the Great Lakes region. So it looks as though, even though we did start the first week and a half or so of the month of September with unseasonably cool air in place, we have turned the corner significantly.